This is a third violation, and I told you the last time when you were here with the baby that there was absolutely no tolerance.
I never knew they didn't give me no text or nothing. I was unaware of taking this charger. They gave me a new charger.
It's the first time. Just please stop talking. Let me talk.
Words mean absolutely nothing. I don't give a rat's ass about words. Zero tolerance. We ordered him to have a GPS monitor. We admonished you last time, and now we have a third.
This guy went missing for days. He took off his ankle monitor, bothered his baby mama, and acted like none of the rules mattered. Now he walks into Judge Fletcher's courtroom acting relaxed, like he's trying to be funny. But the judge is not playing. He's ready to call him out. Did this guy really think the court wouldn't notice what he did? Let's see what happens.
Bond violation. What was the nature of this violation, please?
So it's that we lost cell on it, so either it wasn't charged properly or something of the nature. It's just.
So he had a dead battery.
Yes. And
how long?
If I may, if you would be willing to admonish the defendant as well. I spoke to the complainant yesterday, and apparently the defendant has been making posts about her on social media, bribing people with money to hurt her, and she's pregnant with their child.
Judge, this complaining witness has been sending a bunch of messages to my client. She's been harassing him. I actually advise.
Show me.
Show me.
I did ask her to send me screenshots and everything, Judge, and she said
we'll have a hearing. Show me. We'll have a hearing. Show me what you got. We'll have a hearing over it. But all I know is this is your third bond violation. I'm not happy with you, Mr. McCollum.
I saw that I don't think it turned back on at all from what I'm seeing on my end. But whenever he did report yesterday to have the device inspected, and they did just tell me that he did receive a new charger and new device.
When did it die? What's the date?
14th.
So from the 14th to today, when he got it back on, it's been dead?
He got it on yesterday, Judge.
Yes.
So it was on yesterday.
To the 17th. It's been dead for 3 days.
It was on yesterday. They called me yesterday and told me to go to pretrial and check out.
Your device has been dead since December 14th. And
aware of that, sir. I never knew they didn't give me no text or nothing. I was unaware of taking this charger. They gave me a new charger.
Judge, with all due respect, he went there on Monday. They gave him a new charger and a new device. So it seems to me that it's a technical issue. So, Judge,
You're supposed to charge it on a daily basis. Am I?
Even in the pretrial, they charged it and they seen that it was charging, but it was still something messed up with the charger. So they gave me a whole new thing again.
How often is he supposed to charge it?
I think they're advised to charge once a day for an hour.
I'm not buying it. I'm sorry, Hunter. It goes with you. No. This is a third violation, Mr. McCollum. It's not going to continue to happen.
Judge, with all due respect, this is a technical violation. He shouldn't have to go into custody.
It's a third violation, Hunter.
Second, sir.
Judge,
it's the first time.
Just please stop talking. Let me talk. Judge, it's clearly that there was an equipment issue. Otherwise, they wouldn't have replaced the equipment. So I don't see how.
It'd be an excuse, Hunter. The minute you have an issue, you're supposed to go get it serviced, not 3 days later. This is a third stop. This is a third violation. And I told you the last time when you were here with the baby that there was absolutely no tolerance, that you were supposed to live to the conditions. 100. It's been dead for 3 days.
I was unaware of that, sir. So when they called me
with you.
This wasn't a tech problem. He disappeared for 3 days and didn't take responsibility. Judges hear the broken ankle monitor excuse all the time. And messing with your monitor is treated the same as running away. It's a serious violation. Judge Fletcher breaks down this guy's excuse step by step, and it's both harsh and kind of satisfying to watch.
Sir, they gave me a new charger and a new monitor. Judge, it's not like I didn't mess up anything. As soon as they called me, come on.
Talk to your attorney. Judge, would you allow me to escort him up to felony court so that he can go take his plea today? The whole reason they had set the plea to after the holidays is so that he could do it after the holidays. And I believe part of this deal would see this case go away And he's gonna be on probation for 2 years upstairs. So I really don't see the benefit to
I mean,
society.
if you want to go see if that's something that you guys can work upstairs, I can ask if they'll escort him upstairs. But I can't continue to play this game, Hunter.
I understand,
You know,
Judge.
I mean, really, we ask you over and over and over to comply. I'm not asking for much,
I
right?
understand,
And
Judge.
it's been dead for 3 days. You know it's been dead because you're supposed to charge it. So you're supposed to charge it on a daily basis. So for you to come here and tell me I didn't know, it's disingenuous. It's just not true. So, but
My
I'm
frustration
happy
as
to
a
acquiesce.
attorney is I've seen this with multiple clients where there are technical issues that happen with these devices. I've seen it with multiple clients where they're unable to
Hey,
charge.
if you see it on the 14th that you have issues, then you go immediately. You don't wait 3 to 4 days later, especially when you've had violation after violation after violation. I think that your complaining witness may be here too. Rosette, CW may be here as well.
Judge, I'm not sure.
So I don't know, Hunter, just,
I believe that's for a judge.
okay, ma'am, please don't. If you want to,
I think pretrial has something to say. I don't know what they have to
I
say.
reached out to my supervisor of these devices just because I'm not super well versed in the GPS realm, but he stated that the reports for his GPS appear to show an issue with overcharging, which can lead to a charger problem. They're instructed to charge for 1 full hour on the same time each day, and that the tech swapped his device as a precaution as it was likely that malfunctioning.
but why wait 3 days? You know the device is malfunctioning on the 14th. You're going to wait 3 days to go get it fixed?
I was just informing you what my supervisor told me because I asked somebody to look over the report.
I don't know what to tell you,
I
Hunter.
mean, Judge,
You
it
know.
sounds like he was overcharging. He was doing more than
I-
required.
No, we don't know that for sure. I don't know. See what documents that you can show me, that you can get that there's some kind of malfunction. But nevertheless, it's a third violation. On the 14th, if he has issues, perhaps even go the next day on the 15th. But you wait 3 days, and the only reason he did it is because I hauled him into court and I told him to be here on the 18th. Otherwise, who knows what would have happened? See what you can find and then show me. I'm all eyes.
Well, Judge, the other thing I would ask is if you are going to take him into custody, I'd ask for a formal hearing to be set. And since this was set within less than 24 hours, I do believe it violates his due process to go ahead and take him into custody today. Yeah,
Just show me what you can find, Hunter. You know, Eddie,
Judge, real quick, Judge, I was just thinking.
save the drama for your mama.
Okay.
Guys, are you ready?
Yes, Judge.
Judge Fletcher doesn't yell, he stays calm. But that actually makes him scarier, because he speaks in a way that hits hard. He explains that some people love drama and destroy your life if you let them. He tells the guy the rules were simple. Keep the ankle monitor charged. Stay away from the person he was ordered not to contact. Don't get in trouble. But the guy keeps breaking the rules. The judge wants evidence, not excuses. He doesn't care about words, he wants proof. So he gives the man until Friday to show. Is the device really broken? Is he actually charging it? Did he break the no contact order? The judge says if he wasn't giving him a chance, he'd lock him up right now. Follow the rules. That's all I want, he says. Then he schedules the next hearing for Friday.